Oh, where are they, Stephanie?
They're out there a little bit, the two. They don't have wetsuits on.
Yeah.
Smart move.
Isn't that them? Yes!
Tommy in first place now?
Huh?
Tommy in first place?
Well, no. Jillian beats them.
Can she ride a wave? Can she body surf
Yeah.
out her dad?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at this guy, man. He's freaking motoring. Motoring.
Woo!
Outstanding.
Yeah! That's them out there.
Yeah,
I see. Jillian wants it. She wants it.
This is the father and daughter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are they?
Right there.
The
They're
two
right
swimming right
here.
next to each
So
other.
they're going to finish in the top 10.
Yeah.
They're going to finish in the top 10.
Well, I think they should.
She's gonna be the
finish
first.
It's a difference, I guess, with the wetsuits, right, Laura?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, the wetsuits are handicapped.
They have wetsuits and non-wetsuit.
Yeah.
I would never go in a wetsuit today. But the wetsuit would be faster, theoretically.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one girl there, a guy.
So they might win in the wetsuits.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming down to a body surf.
Oh, come on, Jillian!
Coming down to a body surf.
It looks like
Get him, Jillian!
Right here, winning.
I think Jillian will have him on the run.
Winning.
Get him, Jillian!
Okay, here's the body surf right here.
Get him, Jillian!
Stay low.
is he gonna,
Stay
oh, no,
low.
That's not
Oh.
Jillian. And he looked back.
Looking back.
Yeah, Jillian must
Don't
be
get up too
happy,
early.
right?
Don't
Is it
get
not
up too
her?
early.
No, no,
It
no.
is! Get him, Jillian! Run! Run! Get him, Jillian! Woo! Yeah! Woo, Tommy! Oh my God!
Cool. Oh, how cool. Father and daughter. That's awesome.